Hi students, today we will see class 10 geography chapter agriculture part 2. Food crops other than grains. Sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. It grows well in a hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Irrigation is required in the regions of low rainfall. It can be grown on a variety of soils and needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after Brazil. It is the main source of sugar, gur, jaggery in bracket, kandasari and molasses. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Oil seeds. In 2008, India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China. In rapeseed production, India was third largest producer in the world after Canada and China in 2008. Different oil seeds are grown, covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, till, soya bean, custard seeds, cotton seeds, linseeds and sunflower. Most of these are edible and used as a cooking mediums. However, some of these are also used as a raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. Groundnut is the kharif crop and accounts for about half of the major oil seeds produced in the country. Gujarat was the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu in 2011 to 12. Linseed and mustard are the rabi crops. Sesame is the kharif crop in the north and rabi crop in South India. Custard seed is grown both as a rabi and kharif crop. Here they give figure 4.8 the sugarcane cultivation. Here in figure 4.9 they give the groundnut, sunflower and mustards are ready to be harvested in the field. Tea. Tea cultivation is an example of plantation agriculture. It is also an important beverage crop introduced in India initially by British. Today, most of the tea plantations are owned by Indians. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates, endowed with deep and fertile, well-drained soil, rich in humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moist frost-free climate all through the year. Frequent showers evenly distributed over the year ensure the continuous growth of the tender leaves. Tea is a labor-intensive industry. It requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Tea is processed within the tea garden to restore its freshness. Major tea producing states are Assam, hills of Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri district, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Apart from these, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh and Tripura are also tea producing states in the country. In 2008, India was the third largest producer of tea after China and Turkey. Here they give figure 4.10 tea cultivation, figure 4.11 tea leaves harvesting. Coffee. In 2008, India produced 3.2% of the world coffee production. Indian coffee is known in the world for its good quality. The Arabica variety initially brought from the Yemen is produced in the country. This variety is in the great demand all over the world. Initially, its cultivation was introduced on the Baba Budan Hills, and even today its cultivation is confined to the Nilgiris in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Horticulture crabs. In 2008, India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. India is a producer of tropical as well as the temperate fruits. Mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges of Nagpur and Sirabunji (Meghalaya). Bananas of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapples of Meghalaya. Grapes of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra. Apples and pears, apricots and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh are in great demand the world over. Mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges of Nagpur and Sirabunji, Meghalaya (bananas of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu). Lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapples of Meghalaya. Grapes of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra. Apples, pears, apricots and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are in great demand the world over. Here in figure 4.12, apricot, apple and pomegranate. Here in figure 4.13, cultivations of vegetables, peas, cauliflower, tomato and brinjal. India produces about 13% of the world's vegetables. It is an important producer of pear, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, potato and tomato, brinjal. Non-food crabs. Rubber. It is an equilateral crab but under the special conditions. It is also grown in a tropical and subtropical areas. It requires moist and humid climate with the rainfall of more than 200 cm and temperature above 25 cm. Rubber is an important industrial raw material. It is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman Nicobar Islands and Goro Hills of Meghalaya. In 2010 and 2011, India ranked 4th among the world natural rubber producers. Here they give activity, list the items which are made up of rubbers and used by us. Figure 4.14, consumption of the consumption of natural rubbers 2010 to 11. Source, Statistics and Planning Department, Rubber Board, Kottayam, Kerala. Here 62.2 auto tires and tubes, 9.2% cycle tires and tubes, 4.6% camel back, 6.6% footwears, 4.6% belt and hose, 4% latex foam, 4.1% dipped goods, 4.7% others. Fiber crabs, cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the 4 major fiber crabs grown in India. The first 3 are derived from the crabs grown in the soil. The latter is obtained from the cocoons of silkworms, feed on green leaves, specifically mulberry. Rearing of silkworms from the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. Cotton. India is believed to be the original home of the cotton plant. Cotton is one of the main raw material for the cotton textile industry. In 2008, India was second largest producer of cotton after China. Cotton grows well in a drier parts of the black cotton soil of the Deccan region, Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Jute. Here they give figure 4.15 cotton cultivation. Jute. Jute, it is known as the golden fiber. Jute grows well on well-drained fertile soils in the floodplains where the soils are renewed every year. High temperature is required during the time of the growth. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya are the major jute producing states. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets and other artifacts. Due to its high cost, it is losing market to synthetic fibers and packing materials, particularly the nylon. Technological and institutional reforms. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts.